I'd like to show you how to make a propagating mix for seedlings and for cuttings. So I'm gonna add 3 different materials together. My cocoa fibre that I've already moistened. Add a little bit of vermiculite. You can also use perlite, which is a mineral. And then this is some compost that we've made, but it's too rich to plant in directly. So I'm using the other material and will be gentler on the young plant. So ideally you want to add your water now already, because you want to make sure your mixture is well integrated. I also like when I'm sowing not to have my mix too wet only from above, but allowing the moisture to go up to where you've sown the seed. So I've got some seed that I saved earlier. I often like just to cover it up with vermiculite, depending what seed it is. Sometimes I'll use the soil, and sometimes I just use the vermiculite. This is edible chrysanthemum that I really love. It's wonderful to grow in winter. And I give it a bit of a blessing. Only really once they start emerging do I consistently give them the irrigation to allow them to grow happily. But I would suspect that in about a week's time, maybe 12 days, we'll actually see the growth coming from here. So happy sowing.